Good afternoon, my name is Connor Cousins from SyncroFlo. Today we are going to be doing a disassembly reassembly video on the RKBV 4012. For this process you're going to need a few tools, an impact gun, a 2-jaw gear puller, a torque wrench with an 1.25" socket, a set of vice grips, some metric wrench sets, Allen keys, the bearing setting tools from SKF, some spanners, a flathead screwdriver. So for the first part of the process, you're going to want to make sure you have enough room to remove your motor for the disassembly process. So whenever you're working in the field, really the first thing you want to do is make sure you have adequate room to do so. So for this, we're just disassembling the pump portion, so we're not going to focus on that today. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to want to make sure you remove your coupling guards. So we'll start doing that. Also, once we get done removing this back guard, you'll see that there's a cooling line. So for this side, you're going to have to remove the bottom portion of the cooling line so you can remove the coupling guard. Once that's removed, your next step is going to take off your motor stool. Now we're going to need our torque wrench for that. From the factory, they have about 150 pounds of torque on this particular model, so you will need something larger to disassemble this. Also, before you remove the motor stool, you want to make sure that the cooling line is completely removed so you don't damage it in the field. Once that's done, you can remove your motor stool. For some of our larger models, you may require 2 or more people or a hoist on site to remove it. But for this model, it's possible to be done by hand.